How does JSON power real-time communication via WebSockets? Imagine chatting with a friend where messages instantly appear without waiting for a reply. That's what real-time communication is all about. Now, how does JSON fit into this picture? Let's find out. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a simple way to format data that computers can easily read and write. When working with WebSockets, JSON acts as the language that translates data into a common format. This makes it easy for different systems to understand each other. WebSockets create a continuous connection between a client, like a web browser, and a server. This connection stays open, so data can flow back and forth without repeatedly opening new links. Think of it as a phone call where both people can talk whenever they want, instead of sending messages back and forth. In Python, when you want to send data through a WebSocket, you first turn your Python data into a JSON string. You do this with the JSON dumps function. For example, if you have a message like type, update, content, hello, you convert it into a JSON string that can travel over the network. When the message reaches the other side, it comes as a JSON string. The receiver then uses JSON loads to turn that string back into a Python dictionary or object. This way, the data is easy to work with in your code. Using JSON with WebSockets is especially helpful when many clients are connected. Your server can send out JSON messages to all clients, and each one can interpret the message correctly, no matter what programming language they use. For example, a Python server can send JSON data that a JavaScript web page can instantly understand and display. While JSON is human-readable and simple, it does add some extra data size compared to binary formats. But for most real-time apps, this small overhead isn't a problem because WebSockets are built to handle many connections efficiently. Python's Asyncio library, along with the WebSockets package, makes managing many WebSocket connections straightforward. You write async functions that listen for messages, parse JSON data, process it, and send responses, all without blocking other tasks. In frameworks like FastAPI, working with JSON over WebSockets is natural. When you get a message, you parse it as JSON. When you send data back, you serialize it as JSON. This cycle keeps your app responsive and easy to manage. JSON also helps keep your communication reliable. You can include message types or metadata in your JSON objects. This way, your code can decide how to handle each message based on its type. If a message is malformed, you can catch errors during parsing and respond accordingly. For automation and scripting, JSON and WebSockets let your Python scripts talk to each other in real time. You can send commands and get responses instantly, without waiting for traditional request-response cycles. This makes your applications more interactive and responsive. Using Python's Asyncio and the WebSockets library, you can write code that handles many connections at once. You receive JSON messages, process them, and send JSON responses, all in a way that keeps your program fast and efficient. Understanding how JSON and WebSockets work together is key to building modern real-time systems in Python. JSON provides the format, WebSockets offer the communication channel, and Python's async features keep everything running smoothly. Together, they form a powerful trio for creating fast, interactive applications.